Yeah, homie, I real fast car, big rims, winter tinted system up, guaranteed it on win. Yeah, homie, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it's your boy Smooth, back with another half-empty food review, and it's time to celebrate, baby. That's right, it is time to celebrate. We have hit 300 subscribers, baby. 300! I know a lot of y'all like 300, that's not a lot, but guess what? Like I told you from day one, every 100 subscribers I get, I am going to celebrate it because I am just simply happy that you rock with me how you rock with me. Of course, I try to give y'all great content, but it's up to y'all. Y'all the ones that make me, of course, so I gotta celebrate y'all, right? So no matter whether it's 300 or 3,000, we gonna celebrate together. But y'all didn't come to hear me talk. Y'all ready to go on and get into this food review. So let's go and get into it, baby. Now that y'all took a look at it, and y'all done got y'all bite at it, or did y'all get y'all bite? Y'all didn't take it out the wrapper? Shame on you. But today we're gonna be reviewing the new Bourbon Barbecue Chicken Sandwich from ARBYS. Now this Bourbon Barbecue Chicken Sandwich features a buttermilk chicken fillet, barrel-aged Kentucky bourbon barbecue sauce, brown sugar bacon. Did I say that? Let me say that one more. Brown sugar bacon. Brown sugar bacon. Cheddar cheese, crispy onions on what? A star-cut bun. Y'all know they gotta put everything on a star-cut bun. But they said they got brown sugar bacon. And y'all know that bacon ain't faking. Let's go and get into it, baby. Let's do this. Y'all ready to eat? All right, so as y'all can see, we got to do this one hand thing. I don't know. All right. So on the one hand opening consistency, they fail every time. It's not one of them boxes you can open up with one hand. But on this package wrap though, look at that cheese just melted up. Something serious. That aged Kentucky bourbon barbecue sauce just laying around there. That brown sugar bacon. No, it ain't faking, just sitting there glistening like somebody trying to tan in the summer on the beach. And then what is that? Is that them onions? Them crispy onions that smell oh so good? Now, I'm gonna tell y'all something. At first, when I got this sandwich and we was doing the little look through, I thought this was the same sauce that was on the venison sandwich. And y'all know how much I hated that sandwich. So I was like, man, I'm not about to do this. But it's not. This is the Kentucky bourbon sauce right here. So let's go and get us a bite of this. Y'all got to excuse the flushing in the background, because that would just let y'all know how trash that venison was. It was boo-boo, baby. Anyway, let's go and hit this chicken sandwich right here. Buttermilk. What we gonna hit at? Oh, over there with the cheese in the back. Okay. Hold up. Let me eat this bacon. Okay. I see you standing in the rain. If you were standing in the rain right now, I would put my hat over the top of your head, girl, just to protect you, because that's how good you are. God, that buttermilk chicken breast is so delightful, so juicy on the inside, so flavorful, so crispy. Just like it came fresh out the fryer at your grandma's house when she make that chicken in that cast iron skillet. That's what's going on with this. Then that bacon with that brown sugar. Anytime you add brown sugar to anything that's bacon, you know it's good. Those onion pellets sneak up and hit you and say, "Smooth! Smooth! I'm here, and I ain't going nowhere." You gonna have the onion stank breath like, ha, when you get done. And I'm all right with it. Let's hit this thing again. Kentucky. I don't know where y'all aged this bourbon at to put in this barbecue sauce. But y'all need to send me a bucket full of that. Because I got a lot of things I want to put that barbecue sauce on.
No.
Huh?
You saying Kentucky.
Yeah, I said Kentucky.
Is it Kentucky?
Kentucky.
Okay.
It is Kentucky. Not Tennessee. Kentucky. Not fried chicken either. So, guys, I'm going to let y'all know what I think of this sandwich right here. Honestly. This has to be up there in the top 5 sandwiches that I've had barbecue-wise. Barbecue chicken-wise. The sweetness on that barrel-aged Kentucky brown sugar, bacon, barbecue sauce combination is amazing. Those onions come up out the background and go, wake up, I'm here, and it's going down. So for ARBYS, your all new bourbon barbecue chicken sandwich, I got to give you a full tank. I'm talking about we can ride all the way wherever you want to go, and you ain't got to put no more gas in the car because you on full. Just like that. So, I'm out of here. I don't even want to talk. I just want to get back to the sandwich, and I'll see y'all in the next review. Psst. Did I tell y'all to subscribe, hit that notification button, and make sure y'all get y'all some of that half-empty merchandise? If I did, go do it. Bye.